Hello there, welcome back to this channel, the place where we talk all about money. If you care about making money and creating more wealth. If you're new here, my name is Jaycinta and I'm excited to have you back into our channel. Trust me, you are in for a treat. In today's episode, we are going to share with you 7 businesses we can be able to start with 20,000 Kenya shillings. And some of these businesses are proven to work. So be with us till the end as I take you through this journey on the businesses you can be able to start in 2024. And before we dive into this awesome episode lined up for today, hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell so you'll never miss on this fantastic content we create. Seriously, do it now. I am waiting. Thank you. Awesome. Now, let's talk about today's video, where we are going to discuss with you the businesses you can be able to start with on 20,000 Kenya shillings and start earning that income, or even start that extra income. If you are already working full-time job, you can be able to add more income by starting some of these businesses which I'm going to give to you. And number 4, it's one of the best business you can start because it's new year and nobody talks about it. So stay tuned because you're in the right place and we are going to go with you, for we have got something special brewing. I cannot wait to share with you. But wait, before we jump into this, drop a comment below and let me know where you are tuned from, for I love connecting with you and hearing your story. Without further ado, let's start. Business idea number 1, starting that e-commerce. By starting an online selling in-demand products, the ones which are really in demand, it requires you to focus on something we call the niche or niche. It will depend, niche. If you can be able to identify what are the products, starting your own online store, it's one of the best business you can start right now in Kenya with those products which are in demand. Start an online store selling in-demand products or unique handmade products which you can be able to sell through maybe platforms like Jumia, or you can even create your own website. Or there is also the issue of you can be able to sell your product when it comes to your social media platform. With 20,000 Kenya shillings, consider starting that mobile accessories retail store. Purchase affordable phone cases, chargers, and those screen protectors in bulk. You can sell those products online. You can also be able to create them maybe on your social media. Consider starting that mobile accessories retail business with that 20,000 Kenya shillings. You can be able to source locally into our local markets with wholesale prices, and you'll be able to sell them in detail. The other business you can be able to start with 20,000 Kenya shillings is cleaning services. And those opportunities are all over. It requires minimal upfront investment. Starting cleaning services can be a lucrative business. Use part of your budget to buy those basic supplies for cleaning and promote your services within your community. Offer services like home cleaning, office cleaning, all post-construction cleanup. Another business you can start with 20,000 Kenya shilling is freelancing services. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, web development, programming, editing, there are so many skills. If you have them, you can be able to provide an offer which are highly in demand, which are being paid for out there. And with your 20,000 Kenya shillings, you will be able to start that freelancing services on platforms like Upwork, like Fiverr, and even other platforms where you can be able to offer your freelancing services. Consider offering your freelancing services like digital marketing. Create profiles on freelancing platforms or use your social media where you can be able to market your skills. Use your 20,000 budget for online marketing and also be able to create that professional portfolio. Another business you can be able to offer with 20,000 Kenya shillings is selling second-hand clothes. If you can be able to sell those clothes online or even offline, there are so many people offline the same as they are in online. And selling clothes is one of the best business you can also start. Be able to specialize like getting women and go look for their clothes. Most of the women, we like being beautiful, we like being smart, and buying those clothes is not an issue because as long as they are good, as long as they are making us look beautiful, As long as they are making us look good, we are going to buy those clothes and people are going to buy those clothes. And that is one of the best business you can start with 20,000 Kenya shillings. And you can be able to make your money, you can be able to build that income, and you'll be able even to create that wealth later. Because your business will continue growing as you continue making it, as you continue with that entrepreneurship journey. So be able to go do that good research, be able to know the area you'd want to start or the platform you'd want to start that online store and be able to start. The other business you can also start is event organizing. They can be either virtual or even physical. But with event organizing, most of the people who have come up to be very big companies, they started with maybe even less than 10,000. And there they are able to have now big companies which are doing so well, like the Bonfire Adventure. It is a company which was started with the minimal budget, and now it's a multi-billionaire company. So when you can be able to organize and start that business with that 20,000, provided you've got those skills or you are interested or you have got passion about it, you can be able to do that event organizing, whereby you can be able maybe to be organizing things like party, organizing things like wedding, organizing events like team building. If you can be able to organize things like team building for the organization, if you are able to organize things like wedding, like baby showers and birthday, and these other things we call like roller show. And also taking people out there, like the bush, trekking, whatever. Like us women, we've got a group whereby we like hiking. And if you can be able to organize those things, whereby you are able to take us to those hiking, we pay at the end of the day. That's a good business. And at the end of the day, it will grow and become a big business. There's so many opportunity out there. If at all you can just be able to get ready to start. It doesn't require you much. You can just start with the retro you have, the knowledge you have, the skills you have, or even that passion you have, or something which you feel you would want to explore out there. In all these cases I've given, in all these businesses I've given, remember to conduct a thorough research on each and every one of it. Because these businesses, they require feasibility, they require research, they require understanding the local regulations, like where are you supposed to do this, which are the permits you're supposed to get, what is it that you're supposed to organize legally to be able to meet the specific needs of your target market. And also, in order for you to succeed, in order for you to succeed in these businesses, you have to put in your time, commitment, dedication, and also the ability to adapt to changing market conditions. These are some of the things which you will have to consider while starting this business. These business ideas I've given to you. Be able to choose and don't be afraid to take those first steps. All right, back up. Hit that like button and let's kickstart this entrepreneur journey. And don't be afraid to take that first step toward this entrepreneurship journey. These business ideas I've given to you, be able to choose the ideas which are matching with your skills, with your ability. And I'm rooting for you, and I hope you are going to continue rooting for yourself. Wishing you all the best.